There's a meeting going on right now in your brain. It's a support group for the parts of you that would rather rot slowly than take creative risk. Let's listen in. Hi, I'm Josh, and I almost made something last Tuesday, but then I remembered my ex once said that my art was a little much. So instead, I stared at my phone until it was Thursday. My new project is thinking about journaling, but for now, I'm just mood boarding the concept of potential.
I wrote a line of poetry yesterday and I started crying for 3 hours because I thought it sounded like a shampoo commercial. I'm in the incubation phase now. My therapist says I'm gesturing a masterpiece. And my houseplants agree.
Action is toxic. I'm manifesting my screenplay through stillness. It's called Untitled First Draft. It's a multi-dimensional silent film that only exists in the fifth dimension. I burned a sage stick over a laptop and deleted my final draft. It felt right.
I bought 7 new pens, 12 sketchbooks, 4 how to start courses, and I've color-coded my calendar until 2029. Am I drawing yet? No. But I have a bullet journal so beautiful it might get me into the Museum of Modern Art.
Wonderful shares. Wonderful shares. So brave. So brave. Remember, the goal is never to actually do anything, but feel really busy doing it. Avoidance is self-care. Making things is capitalism. Progress is violence. Let's stay small, safe, and in this beige room forever. Okay? Closing prayers? This is me. I've been all these people. I've lit a candle instead of writing. I've bought gear instead of creating. I've mourned a project I never even started. But here's the thing. Every moment you delay your art, you're quietly telling your future self they don't matter. You're letting your fear design your life. So here's your exit pass for this meeting. Make something bad, cringy, rushed, unplanned. Do it with the ugly cry face and the broken tripod and the third take that sucks. Because no one gets out of this alive, but you can get out of this beige room today.